Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna tell about how I purchased two full-size Dermaco face wash and a freebie for just 189 rupees. Okay, let's get started. First of all, you need to check my description box. I provided a link there. Click on the link, then you will be redirected to Dermaco application. Download the app and log in using your number. Remember guys, if you are logging just by searching the Dermaco application in Play Store, then you wouldn't be able to apply this offer. So please log in using my link provided in the description box. After logging in, click on account and then Dermacash. Then you can see how much Dermacash you earned. You will get 100 Dermacash while logging in using my link. I don't have any Dermacash right now, that's why it's showing 0. You will get 100 while you logging in using my link. Okay guys, here is the next important procedure begins. For that, you need to come back to your home page and open PhonePe. In PhonePe, click on the search button and type rewards. Click on the reward and you can see a lot of rewards are there, and select or search for Dermaco buy one get one reward. Here the offer showing first is only because I saved that. In your account it will not be showed in first. You just scroll down or search for Dermaco and choose buy one get one free offer. Not select for 100 rupees off or something like that. Select buy one get one offer. Now you can see there is a secret coupon code given. Copy the coupon code and come back to Dermaco account. If in case you don't have PhonePe or in your PhonePe there is not such a reward, then you can use Paytm and also you can use Google Pay. I will show you how it is. Just open the Paytm application and go to cashback and rewards. Scroll down and you can see there are a lot of rewards are there, and you can see a buy one get one offer. On firstly you can see Dermaco's buy one get one offer and select that and give claim deal. Now you will get Dermaco's buy one get one secret code and copy the code from here and come back to Dermaco account. If these two methods are not even possible for you, then you can use Google Pay also. Open the Google Pay application and go to reward section and search for Dermaco's buy one get one offer. Currently I don't have such offer. I only have 400 offer coupon code, but it's not good for this offer. Check in your account. If you have buy one get one offer in Google Pay, then copy the code from there and come back to Dermaco's account. Now it's time for shopping. Today I'm gonna purchase two face washes. I feel it's worthy to buy face wash with this offer, so I'm adding two face washes to my cart. After adding two products, then you can click view cart option and you will be redirected to the cart, and you can see there is some options to apply offers in the upper portion of the screen, and scroll it to the left and you can see there is an option to apply our coupon codes. Now paste the coupon code we copied from PhonePe or Google Pay or Paytm. Apply the coupon code there, and now we can see we claimed buy one get one offer and an additional free product is added to our cart. Now add your delivery details and proceed to payment section. Here you can redeem 100 rupees Dermacash which you claimed by using my link provided in the description box. Now you just need to pay 189 rupees for full size, two face washes and a freebie. Now choose UPI payment option. Cash on delivery is also available. If you choose cash on delivery, the amount will increase. So choose UPI option, then you only need to pay 181 rupees. Okay cuties, that is the deal. Don't wait for next sale to come. Just go and grab your favorites at lowest price. Also, you can buy any other product by using this method. You just need to add two of your favorite products and apply the coupon code and apply the Dermacash. Remember, you will only get Dermacash if you log in with my link. Okay, then apply Dermacash and apply coupon, then you will get products at top discount. Happy shopping guys. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video.